Good morning. Not morning. Shoot, it's very much afternoon here. Hair looking crazy. I need to wrap it up when I go to bed. Like, actually wrap it up. I mean, I put my bonnet on, but anyways, how are we feeling about the blonde? Now, this is not the original color that I wanted. It was supposed to be more of like a honey brown with like blonde-ish highlights. But I'm okay with it. It's still very cute. I do like it. And I think it's fun. And yeah, she's gonna be a blonde for the winter. So today's Saturday. I had a bit of an issue yesterday that I had to tend to, so we're late on uploading. I'm not sure if I'm going to talk about it on the vlogs, but it's still unfolding at the moment. Shout out to my friends who are literally, when I say my circle moves with the speed of light, I gotta tell them I'm something wrong one time, and they come with the resources, with the support, and I love that for me, and I hope that everybody has that type of energy in their life. One of my best friends here, Estelle, we actually taught in Kuwait together. My childhood best friend, Kathleen, her and Estelle went to college together. Then Kathleen came to Kuwait, and she brought Estelle with her, and then Estelle and I also got really close, and Estelle's been in Dubai for a while now. Anyway, her birthday is the 24th of December, but she's having her party today because it's the holidays, people are traveling, you know, so it just makes more sense to have it a little earlier in the month. So I ordered some custom cookies with her face on them. So I need to go to the ATM and actually get cash to have those because I had them delivered. Hopefully they look right. And then I need to pick up some flowers for her. And then I want to do balloons. I mean, I'm also doing something for her, like actual birthday, but this is going to be like her big gathering party, all that. So yeah, there's that. I need to do some laundry today, finish cleaning up the house, and I want to put my Christmas tree up before I leave tonight so that it's up. So yeah, so that's kind of the agenda today. Finish cleaning up, get the cookies, put the Christmas tree up, and then get ready for tonight. I have the cutest dress. Remember I told you I got that package from Fashion Nova because I needed some more like nice, like cute going out, you know, less like bodycon vibes, which I love a good bodycon, don't get me wrong, because baby, if you're gonna put it on and make it tight, but just like something's a little bit cuter. So I have this cute olive dress that I'm gonna wear, and I'm very excited about that. So that's basically the vibes for today. That salmon I made, I'm about to put that over a salad and eat that, and that's gonna be lunch, and then we're gonna vibe out for the rest of the day. Y'all, this is another reason why I literally love Dubai and the GCC region in general so bad. I literally ordered these cookies yesterday. I meant to order them early in the week, but it got away from me, and I went on the website. They have a 24-hour turnaround. I just feel like at home, sometimes stuff is just not as quick, which not to say that it has to be, but there is a different level of convenience here. So these are the cookies. Aren't they so cute? So I got 24 of them. I know there's a lot of people that are gonna be at her, they look burnt. Are they burnt? I guess we'll find out. I assume they're just regular sugar cookies. There was no like space to pick a different flavor. But I literally, he came early. I scheduled for 2. I was literally gonna run down to the ATM to get the money, and he was like, oh no, it's fine, you can just, they'll send you a link to pay again. I said, okay, that's fine with me. Send me the link, baby. But yeah, this is great. So the cookies are here, that part is done. I need to get her some flowers. I low-key want to go a little bit early because I would like to like put the cookies around the table, so I may do that. I may try to see if I can go a little bit early and like put the cookies out on the table. Anyways, they're so cute. I'm obsessed. y'all, so I'm finished cleaning. Y'all saw me working, looking like somebody's mama. But I gotta lock in. Another reason I love Dubai, literally, I needed to get candles for my friend's birthday. And here, everything can be done on WhatsApp. And what I mean is, I'm literally texting the corner store on WhatsApp. Like, hey, y'all got some birthday candles down there? Now, I was just gonna run, there's a little store by us, like literally 5 minutes away, that I know has decorations. But I wanted to check with them before because it'll make my life easier. And literally, I order from them all the time. Like when I feel sick, especially, because it's not that far of a walk, but like when I'm sick or when I forgot something and I'm cooking, I'll be like, hey, can y'all run me up some butter real quick before I burn this out now? Anyways, I just asked if they had candles, and they had candles. I also am gonna get the flowers real quick down there from them. So it just is nice, especially if you're in a rush, you forgot something. So yeah, really happy about that. I'm about to hop in the shower. I was gonna show y'all what I'm gonna wear. Let me focus. I'm doing too many things at once. Too many things, honey. I gotta get some freaking extension cords because there is like 2 plugs in my house, y'all. Literally. This is what I'm thinking of wearing for the party. This is one of the things that I got from Fashion Nova, and I think it is just darling. I think it is so cute. So it's this like olive, like leather mini. It's kind of like, I guess, ruched here in the middle. But y'all, it's literally so cute on. And I was thinking actually about wearing some tights underneath. I just love tights. I love tights. I think they're so cute. So I have 2 that I like. These are like a stripe pattern. You can't really see them on. And I think these are my flower ones, and I really like these. Yes, the pattern is like flowers. You can't really see that. But yeah, this is the vibe. So I need to get in the shower, do my hair, do my makeup, and get ready because I want to leave a little bit early because I want to like put the cookies on the table for her. So yeah.
It's dry and it's detached from the bicep, so it will not get
Just record it and just put it on a loop. While
I tried to send today,
yeah, actually that's what we need to do.
and then whenever it gets approved, I'll call me the next day.
That is all I'm taking with me.
We just got home, and I'm at the little corner store that's like in our complex. Reason 75,000. I love Dubai. Get me a little little chippy chip. And you know when you go out and you drink and you're like, that was just the right amount. Like, you did a good job. Oh, I have a Gatorade upstairs. I don't need nothing. I just need a little munch. Munchy. Anyway, great night over my son's birthday. I should have vlogged more. I wanted to, but we were just having a time, honey. We were having a time. This is what the doll was giving tonight. This is what we were. I mean, hello? Hello?
All right.
Keep on falling. Yeah.